Binance offers XRP holders staking and saving products to hold XRP and earn passive income from it. These products include APR above 50% to below 1%, which have different risks. In this video, we will review these products and their benefits and risks. Stay with me. Hi again, welcome back to Crypto Marker. There are two types of staking products on Binance: protected products and high-yield products with higher potential rewards. In protected products, the same number of tokens deposited to saving and staking will be returned to you along with yields paid out in the same type of token. It has less rewards and less risks. And high yield is an opportunity to receive higher than average gains, but with corresponding risks to your invested cryptocurrencies. It has more rewards and more risks. Let's check out both of them with more details. Before I continue, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on daily Ripple XRP videos. This is a flexible savings plan which allows you to withdraw your tokens anytime you wish. The Binance XRP Savings Protected product offers an annual percentage rate of 0.6% in simple earn mode and 1.39% in flexible DeFi staking mode. Reward calculation period: from 12 a.m. on the day after you add your cryptocurrency to a DeFi staking pool until the end of the staking period. The minimum calculation period is 1 day. Funds staked for less than 1 day will not be counted in reward distribution. Redemption time: users can redeem staked digital assets via the standard redemption procedures at any time, and the principal will be returned to the user's spot accounts. It may take 24 to 48 hours to receive the tokens. No gas fee. Binance Staking deposits users' funds into smart contracts on users' behalf, saving users on-chain gas fees. In high-yield product category, there are two products: dual investment and liquidity swap. By dual investment, you can commit your cryptocurrencies, earn potentially higher rewards with settlement in one of the two cryptocurrencies. You can check three parameters: target price, estimated APR, and settlement date, and choose between them. As you can see, there are different options to choose, from about under 10% to higher than 50% APR. Finally, by liquidity swap, you can earn potentially higher rewards on multiple popular tokens by becoming a liquidity provider. You should note that rewards in liquidity swap is in BNB, not in XRP. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and watch our other videos to know more about XRP and Ripple.